Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by preparing your Lenovo laptop and your Windows account. Ensure your Lenovo runs Windows 10 or Windows 11 and has a fingerprint sensor. Sign in with an administrator account before setting up Windows Hello Fingerprint. If you do not have a PIN, create one now because Windows requires a secure PIN to enroll fingerprints. Keep your hands clean and dry when you begin. Close background apps and plug in power for reliability during setup. This preparation reduces registration errors and keeps the setup fast and smooth. Now open Windows Hello to begin enrollment. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options, and choose Windows Hello Fingerprint. Click Add a Fingerprint and enter your PIN when prompted. Follow on-screen prompts and tap the fingerprint sensor repeatedly until Windows prompts completion and shows enrollment progress. Move your finger slightly between taps to capture different parts of the print. Enroll 2 to 4 different fingerprints for backup and faster recognition. Finish when Windows confirms successful enrollment and offers additional sign-in options. After enrollment, test the fingerprint to confirm setup works correctly. Test the fingerprint by locking the laptop and signing in with the enrolled finger. If the sensor does not respond, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the fingerprint driver. Keep Windows updated to avoid compatibility issues. If recognition accuracy declines, remove and re-enroll fingerprints to refresh stored data. Consider re-enrolling after major hardware or system updates. Finally, set up an alternative sign-in method, like a PIN for emergency access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.